Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to select stocks for intraday trading. Before we proceed, let me tell you there are only a handful of stocks, a very few stocks that actually perform on a given day. All the other stocks are mostly sideways and they don't really give you much of profit on a given day. So when you are working on intraday, it is very important to have a proper homework done or proper research done on the previous day when we are selecting an intraday stock for the next day. Otherwise, you already know there are hundreds of people who are facing losses in shares, those who are choosing stocks on the same day for intraday. Now, before we proceed to stock selection, let me tell you hard work and research in a proper way and proper homework is the only key to success in an intraday market. Let us listen to our opening music before the stock selection process, friends. Coming straight to the stock selection process. Now, when we are selecting stocks, it is important that we have a proper sample size. What does it mean? Now, say if you take example of my channel, you will see that all the videos of mine on this channel has got a sample size of Nifty 50 only. So all the recommendations that are coming from my channel are only and only from Nifty 50. So basically all I'm saying is you would not see a single stock in the channel which is across or apart from Nifty 50. There are 500 or 600 stocks which are there in Indian stocks, friends, of which our sample size or my sample size in this case is Nifty 50. There will not be one stock which is out of Nifty 50 in my recommendations. Now, next thing that we need to do is compare each and every stock of our sample with the index. So how did the stock perform on the previous day is very, very important. So we should make sure that if we are choosing a buy stock, it should be performing better than index. And if you are selecting a sell stock, then it should be performing not as good as index. So that's how we should be comparing the stock with index. Next thing that we are going to do is compare. Now we have all the stocks which have performed better than index on one side and all the stocks which have not performed better than index on the other side. So now the stocks on one side, which are your buy or better stocks, those are the stocks that we'll compare with each other. That's when we'll know which of these stocks are better than each other. That is the one which we will select. And lastly, and not the least criteria, we will go ahead and look for patterns or other reasons with which we would be selecting those stocks for a buy or a sell. And if we have any strong pattern that is forming, that's when we can go ahead and select that stock for a buy or a sell. What comes next? Next is, friends, we should have a very good risk to reward ratio when we are selecting a trade, when we are actually choosing a trade. Now, in my opinion, 1:1.5 plus is a good risk to reward ratio when you are creating a trade. Okay, so when you are creating a trade, you should have at least a risk of say 1 against which you are going to take a profit of 1:1.5 or more. That is the reason we are mentioning a plus sign there. I hope I made it very, very clear in terms of risk to reward ratio. And then that doesn't mean at exact 9:15 you would jump into the trade. You would wait for a proper setup patiently. Okay, and as and when there is a proper setup, that is when we can go ahead and enter in the market with a risk to reward ratio of 1:1.5. And then how much do we expect from that particular trade, friends? We should be expecting 2% profit on your investment, which makes it a very good deal. 2% on a single day is a huge profit. Okay, so that is all we are coming to an end to this. That is all we are expecting in one day as a profit, doing which you would be a very successful intraday trader. In the comments, I request you to share on what topic do you want my next video to be. I would help you with a video on that particular topic for a better journey in intraday, friends. Now, if this video has brought some value in your trading career, friends, please give it a like. Also hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed to the channel. That would ensure that I will get encouragement to make more such educational videos and more knowledgeable videos like this one, friends. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and happy trading.